how to manage favorites on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you manage favorite on Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Facebook with your account. Alright, after you open Facebook with your account, at the bottom right corner, tap on menu. Alright, from the menu section, you'll have to find out the options like feed. And if you not find that feed option, tap on see more and from here you can easily find that option feed. Okay, after you come on the feed section, you'll have to tap on favorite just at the top left. And from the favorite section, you can easily access or view all of the favorites that you have did on your Facebook. So simply from here at the top, tap on the option manage favorite. From here, you can easily manage your favorite as you have to just tap on the option 3 dot just at the right hand section of that favorite. From here, you can as usual go the options like remove from favorite, and after you tap on that, you can remove that favorite from your Facebook. So this is the easiest and simplest method to manage all of your favorite on your Facebook. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.